First of all, I want to share the practical example of my successful trading strategy. This is my one strategy out of my 16-day trading strategy. Let's have a look and understand that what type of trade I am taking on daily basis with the help of my strategy. I always look high probability trade and I work on discipline way on every day. So let's take an example. This is the chart of Infosys and this is the chart of 6th May. So we will understand that where I took the trade, why I took the trade, and where I booked the profit. Each and everything we will understand with the help of this chart. So you can see that this, as per my strategy, when any bullish elephant bar cross 20-day simple moving average line and the second candle cross the top of the first candle, then we can take a buy call. So yeah, you can see that this is the bullish elephant bar and it cross, this is the bullish elephant bar and it crossed 20-day simple moving average line and it crossed this resistance line also. So we can take a buy call on this position. When the second candle cross the top of the first candle, we can buy this stock and we can add the stop loss on the bottom of this candle, because this is the logic to buy this stock. So after doing this, we have to sit and wait for the exit opportunity only. Now you can see that stock moving continuously on the upside, and this is again a bullish elephant bar, long bullish elephant bar, and it crossed this resistance line. So there is no need to be exit from the trade on this position, because there are two situations in which we can exit from the trade. If the stock feel weakness on any important location, so if the stock will feel weakness on this resistance line, then we will exit, but this is not happening on here. So we will wait for the next opportunity, exit opportunity. And the second thing is that when the stock reach far from 20 DSMA, now you can see that the stock reach far from 20 DSMA line and it's showing weakness also. So if the stock reach far from 20 DSMA line and it shows weakness, then we should exit from the trade. Now we can exit from the trade on this position, because you can see that stock start moving on the downside and it reach far from 20 DSMA line also. So we will exit from the trade on this position. So you can see that on this trade, if we lose only this elephant bar, a single elephant bar, and approximately we get 9 to 10 bar, 10 to 11 bar profit on this trade. So this is the power of strategy, that every time your stop loss should be small but a logical stop loss, and your profit should be maximum as per your trading strategy. So here it approximately 10 bar profit, but it can be 15 bar or 20 bar also, and it can be 4 bar, 6 bar also. It totally depend on the movement of the stock. So we should wait for the once we take the trade, we should wait for the exit opportunity only. Either it will hit our stop loss, either it will hit our profit, but we are taking high probability trade then, so our stop loss, the probability of hitting the stop loss should be minimum. The same things apply on this trade also. So this is the practical example of my trade which I am taking on daily basis. I'm not saying that my stop loss is not hitting. Sometimes my stop loss also hit, so there no need to be worrying, because every time your loss will be minimum with the help of my strategy, and your profit will be maximum. So always believe on your strategy. Now come to the next portion. I remember in the starting I did a lot of mistakes, but I learned a lot from my mistakes and other mistakes also. Then I moved back to the knowledge and start reading books, seeing a lot of knowledgeable videos, and I took training also. And after a lot of hard work, I made my own trading strategy, and I adopt some of the strategy of the professional trader also. And I make a group of my trading strategy, and after that I did back testing process, And on this process I refine my strategy, and I finally find my 16-day trading strategy which is effective at every time. So these are the high probability strategy, and after that I start taking trade with the small quantity so that my loss should be small. And I did lot of practice with the help of these small quantities. I find some of the mistakes, the common mistakes. I remove these mistakes from my trading strategy, and right now I am working with the help of my finest 16-day trading strategy. So after a lot of hard work, I understand how to make our own trading strategy. I understand how the professional traders makes money in the market. I understand the trading psychology and how it impact on our trade. The professional trading, uh, technical importance in trading, difference between trading and gambling. The losses should be minimum and the profit should be maximum. This is the symbol of professional trading. Understand about the price action, power of candle and location, risk management, importance of discipline, how we can make the consistent profit from the market. And I learn a lot. And because of my hard work and dedication, now I am doing professional trading in spite of gambling with the help of my 16-day trading strategy. And I am making consistent and logical and a good profit from the market. I always believe on high probability trade, my own trading strategy, and the consistent profit and the discipline definitely. If you want to understand the process and want to learn a lot of things about the professional trading and want to make consistent profit from the market, then you must subscribe my channel and share this video within your circle who still struggling in the trading, and press the like button also to get the new notification so that you can update yourself. If you want to save your lack of rupees to avoid the common mistakes which 90 to 95% people still doing in the market, that's why they are losing money in the market, then you should push my channel for the growth so that I can reach with a lot of people and I can give a free advice with the help of with the help of free webinar, with the help of live video, and with the help of my YouTube videos. And with the help of this process you can save lot of rupees, because if you understand the right way to work in the market with the help of my videos, then you can remove these mistakes from your trading profession. And if you remove these mistakes from your trading profession, then you can save your lack of rupees to do R&D in the market. So it's a wonderful opportunity for you to save your lot of money in the market, and you can do a humble work also. I'm doing this. Make a target for myself that I will connect with a lot of people, and I will share the common mistakes with a lot of people on free webinar, with the help of free webinar, with the help of live streaming, and with the help of videos also, so that they can save their life, and so that they can save their lot of money in the market. Because I understand that this saving is the lifeline of our family, so at any cost we have to save our lot of money in the market so that we can make the focus to grow in our life, and so that we can make consistent profit in the market. So it's a good wonderful opportunity for you also. So please subscribe my channel, share this video with lot of people, and press the bell icon so that you can get the new notification and you can make a consistent money. And